In this video, you'll learn how to share a collection in Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will be able to easily share your resources with others, allowing for collaboration or simply sharing information. Begin by opening Perplexity AI in your preferred web browser. Once the application loads, you will be directed to the main dashboard where various options are presented. Look for the menu on the left side of the screen, which provides access to different areas of the platform. Next, locate and click on My Spaces within the left-hand menu. This section contains all your created spaces where you can organize your collections. After clicking My Spaces, you will see a list of spaces that you have previously created or have access to. After that, identify the specific space you wish to share. Click on the title of that space to open it. Once the space is opened, you will see its contents and additional options at the top of the page. At the top of the space, find and click the Share button. This action will trigger a sharing options menu to appear. Here you will have the choice to either copy a shareable link or invite specific contributors directly. To copy the link, simply click on the link provided in the sharing options. This link can then be pasted into any communication platform to share with others. Alternatively, if you want to invite specific contributors, enter their email addresses in the provided field, ensuring they have the necessary permissions to view or contribute based on your settings. Once you have shared the link or sent the invitations, individuals will be able to access the space. Depending on the permissions you set, they can either view the content or contribute to it. Remember to double check your settings to ensure that you are comfortable with the level of access provided to others. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.